game that you get on.
Hey guys, here Patrick with Zia Comics again with another edition, another episode of Lego building thing. We'll put it in the title somewhere. Again, Patrick with Zia Comics. I'm going to go ahead and get this all built up. That's why I'm wearing my Batman shirt. And yeah, we'll go and time-lapse this thing too. Like all the other ones that we've done. So this one has 5 minifigs again, and this one has the Robin with it. So probably my favorite character is the Robin. So there we go. And this one has Man Bat. So Man Bat's pretty cool. So this thing actually has 3 modes. This has a lot of stuff towards it. So it's called the Speed Wagon. But it's the Batmobile, so there you go. Oh wow, it says 5 bags. All right. Alright, and that was the build for the Batmobile. It has multiple different functionalities, like you can lower it, or I think that's it. No. You can lower it, you can raise it. Oh, and you can turn it too, like this. There you go. Fun, nice little build. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe. Like this up, and share if you want to. I think this was a nice little build, and I was happy with it. So, Again, my name is Patrick, Zia Comics. See you guys on the next video. Woo! Look at it go. Cool, guys. Catch you guys later.